My name is Jonah McLachlan, and you are incredibly welcome to this course, which is 50 Shades of UX Design. It's going to be an in-depth, quick run-through course where we're going to be talking about the whole world of user experience, and we're going to be looking at these different lessons and different aspects. Yeah, about me, there's a photo of me, there's a video of me if you like, but I'm a UX designer. I'm a researcher and a mentor. And what that really means is that I love people and I love understanding their world and doing the research and the design to make the world work better for them. And so I work very closely with businesses and organizations in the over the 5 years experience that I have, specifically in public sector and private sector, whether that's banks making mortgage flows for their users, whether that's automotive, like building car showrooms and trying to fit out the best way for the user to kind of go through and purchase a car. Other things, I've done work for a range of organizations in the public sector. So working on bin lorry projects where there's like route optimization and things like that. So a wide range of experience that I love problem solving, really. And not just problem solving for my benefit, but for the user's benefit, who are the end users. And so I guess I specialize in user research, accessibility, and interaction design. And all that really means is that I really enjoy digging deep into the problem and also ensuring that people can use the solution that I'm trying to suggest, but also making sure that the best practice sort of design is being put into place. And then also, yeah, I have a 2.1 in web design and development, specifically in user experience. So all of that there is about me. And so what I'm trying to say here is that the passion that I have working with different clients, being on platforms, being on podcasts, and also the education that I've had, I hope that what I can do is share this back with the community and share it back with you so that you can get benefit from this. And so when we think about the course and how that's set up.
Section 1. Get out of the building. Your first usability test. Forget the features, start with the goals. Section 3. Creating a usable application. Section 4. We're going to be looking at credibility, getting our users to trust us. Section 5. We're going to be looking at ways in which we can create desirable design. Section 6. Accessible experiences. Section 7. Stop the hide and seek. Findable navigation. Section 8. Applying UX. Working with others and improving your portfolio.
Discovery. How can we really zoom into the problem so that we can actually build a better solution? We can then look at examples like card sorting, and card sorting is a great way to kind of get direct feedback from our users and to understand whether someone can actually find what they're looking for. Journey maps, how we can really understand the problem and really map it all out so that we can see where are the pain points, where are the opportunities, where are the things that we can grow and improve on and optimize. And then lastly, we've then got design, and design is an important part of this course where we're going to be thinking about, okay, how can we create the minimal viable product? How can we make sure that users can get from A to B, that they can serve their needs, that they can buy what they need to buy or sign up for what they need to sign up for? There's lots of different ways that we're going to be looking at how we can do the best design. So whatever level you're at, I hope that you can find this course helpful because it's an introduction to UX, and whether you've heard of UX before or whether you've just heard colleagues talk about it or whether you have been in the game for a while, whatever level, I hope that the principles that we find in this course is going to be useful for you. Likewise, I'm going to be sharing then practical templates and resources, and these aren't restricted to specific projects. These are so versatile that they can be applied to any platform or any problem that you're trying to solve, whether it's even a non-digital platform, whether it's just a service that you're working on. These templates and resources hopefully will help you. These aren't just my clever ideas. I'm building on the shoulders of giants who have gone before me. There's a lot of very, very qualified, experienced people out there. And I'm just regurgitating what they're saying and trying to condense it down into a smaller course that you can get value from that. And I also give you good directions of where to learn more about some of these topics. Also want to help by improving your knowledge of just UX as a whole. It's quite a big topic. And so whether you're new to the topic and whether you don't really quite know what your niche is, hopefully I can help with that and explore the different avenues of UX with you. And then lastly, I want you to think about how you, in your job and in your role, whether you're a student, whether you're, a veteran who's been working in the job for a long time, how can you bring value to your users? How can you benefit your organization and help with your teams, help them more efficient, help them to be better at building better products? How do we get there? Well, there's a lot that UX has on offer, and there's a lot of excitement when it comes to presenting this course to you. So you're very welcome. And rather than doing any more further introductions, let's just dive straight in.